Okay, so I wanted to show you this from last week. It was super cracky. Wasn't sure how it would go. Just kind of kept doing that thing. So we're just going to do a regular pour, but with a false bottom, so it has a little cutout like such. So we're going to flow the paint around it, underneath it, and then through the cup. It's really cool. You can see it expanding and bubbling out. Now for the fun part. Funny how that orange kind of turned a little pinky. The purple is pretty prominent, just like the green and the black and gray. I wanted to add a little white just to brighten it up a little bit. Here you can see the acrylic skin I'm making on the side from the excess. So it's not totally dry yet, as you can see, but it's getting there. Since I poured over the other one, I wasn't sure how it was gonna look. It's getting like a really cool texture look though. I like how the colors kind of mix together, make this like light blue and this pinky orange color. It's a little different. So overall interesting, not great, not bad. If you guys have any tips for pouring over something other than scraping, let me know. I haven't really researched it, so I was just kind of winging it. Otherwise, I really like the purple. The green mixed with the purple to make this light blue, which is fun. And then the pinky orange. So overall, pretty cool. Could use some work, but other than that, turned out pretty cool. I like this technique, and I definitely want to play with it some more. So if you guys think of anything else you'd like to see done, let me know. Just drop a comment. Next week I will be traveling, so I will be taking a week off. So in 2 weeks I will be doing an embellished pour. So it's basically you take a pre-done pour and then you add to it. So look forward to it. We'll see you then. Guys, have a nice weekend.